Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today we did some work on this 2020 GMC Terrain. We replaced this sensor, which is a MAF sensor, and I bought this part in Advanced Auto Parts store, and it's very easy process. And this is MAF 0129 part number, and it's a Hitachi, which is Japan made. Now just press this pin, red pin out, then press on the pin on the connection and remove it, and then you will see two screws. It's a Torx 25. Once you remove those screws, you'll be able to remove the sensor itself. So once you remove the sensor, it's very easy. Pull it out and put the new one back in, and just reinstall this two screws. Again, it's Torx 25, and just reinstall the connection. Don't forget to push the red pin in, and you'll be able to fix this problem yourself, and you'll save some couple $100. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Subscribe, like it, and I'll be back shortly with you guys because we have some more work coming up. Thanks for watching again.